Hey everyone, Torinator Eliminator here, and today, well, I'm just chilling in my house. Really, I'm doing, I'm doing really nothing. It's getting crazy out here in Sacramento with all this rain, but there's no need to not have a positive attitude about it, cause, well, I just made a few videos about it, and if you saw my most recent short about me and being in the rain, I definitely wasn't suited for the weather, but I did that on purpose because, hey, why not? And also, I, I just it's good. I just felt like doing it. I, we like I said, Sacramento, California, we're gonna need the rain. And Sunday, man, I was expecting a light sprinkle, but that sprinkle to turned heavy quick, and oh man, it was going down for real. It was going down for real, but it was still cool. Got got to do my photo thing, and also get some good photos in. Got to explore some stores, old and new, but and took photos of the weather because hey, why not? But now I'm just gonna chill at home. I'm chilling at home, chilling at home, chilling at home. Home is where the heart is now. But I just been, I just haven't been doing anything except focus on my sac state requirements and watch some YouTube videos. We're looking at a few YouTube comments and also celebrating because, well, guess what? I reached 700 subscribers. Yeah, baby. It's not it's not an easy task, but like I said in a bunch of videos, I'm just gonna take it slow. There's no need to rush about it. That's why that's why I don't cloud chase do anything crazy, or or I guess in or I guess in other people's cases do something stupid. Cause one thing about YouTube, the best way to grow is just be yourself. I wanna thank you for letting me be myself again. Yeah, thank you for letting me be myself again. But it's cool. I'm just getting through life, getting through my college thing, getting through my photo thing, and getting through the weather. Cause Cali's where the sun's at, but also rain is what Cali needs. Cause all of these crops well, and just slow down our fires. LA, I hope I hope you guys are doing well. I know you guys must have lost a lot, but I hope it gets better. But on that note, eh, for me, got got to stay inside, chill, stay dry at the weather, and and do really much not do much of anything. All I can say is tomorrow I'll be heading back to my in person class. I might be taking more photos, getting a lot of rain shots, and I guess I'm going to work, exploring downtown once more. Probably check out my my favorite spot, old Sacramento. But that's it for this video. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Be sure to like and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell for more videos coming your way. And I will see you next time.